I will help you, James. I am right behind you. Try to couple me up with James so I can stop him.
You are too far away. I can't couple you. I can't do it.
Help me. I can't stop.
Oh no, James.
I will crash.
Hello everyone. It's me, Thomas. Today I will answer some of your questions. Who wants to participate?
Hi Thomas. Hello Thomas. Hello.
Hello Thomas. Hello guys. Today we will watch an episode of Thomas and Friends, the first day. And a bonus of accidents will happen. Enjoy.
I am tired of pulling freight cars. A new engine is coming. Edward, show him what to do.
Yes, sir. I am Edward.
Hi, I am Thomas.
Hi, I am James. You are a small engine.
He is Gordon.
He thinks he is the best. See you later, Thomas.
Go and shunt trucks.
Yes, I will do it.
Be careful. Be careful, Thomas. Finish shunting the trucks.
Time to rest.
Let's welcome the new engine. There he comes. What? It was still fun.
What is wrong with Henry?
Henry is scared of the rain.
I don't want to ruin my paint.
Get him out. Get him out.
We can't get him out of there.
Time to sleep.
Go to the steamworks, Thomas.
Thomas, take my coaches.
It is not raining.
My boiler is not working.
Wow, I like this color.
Where is Henry?
I come to replace Henry.
What are you doing?
I have to get there on time.
Where are your coaches?
Oops. I have to hurry up.
Wait to be coupled up.
Yes, sir.
How was your day?
Oh no, Henry. Your passengers are waiting.
It is raining.
It is just water. You can do it.
I can't stop. I can't stop.
Oh no, James.
Help me. I can't stop.
I am catching up with you, James.
Wow, this is fun.
Stop pushing. I am going too fast.
I will help you, James. I am right behind you. Try to couple me up with James so I can stop him.
You are too far away. I can't couple you. I can't do it.
Help me. I can't stop.
Oh no, James.
I will crash. Oh no.
It was fun, James.
My paint.
I will get out.
I am okay.
Wake up, Jerome.
Well done, Thomas.
Wow.
Nice color.
Thank you. I know I am the best.
Thomas, you will have your own coaches.
They are my coaches.
I used to be number 1. I am Glenn.
Hi, I am Thomas. Accidents will happen. Did you like the video?
Yes, I liked it. I liked the accidents.
Good job everyone! See you next time to answer more of your questions here at Surprises and Fun Toys.
Thank you, Thomas, that was fun. Bye bye, Thomas. Bye, Thomas. Bye bye.
Bye bye guys! Thanks for watching. Subscribe.